Result number 1 shocked our team. After a controlled FlipAEO-style answer engine optimization sprint, a mid-market SaaS brand went from 0 Perplexity citations on its core category query to appearing in 3 of 5 test prompts inside 30 days. Not because Perplexity loves ads, because the page stack finally looked like evidence machines can quote. I'm going to show why Perplexity citations matter more than classic blue link SEO for SaaS buyers. Exactly what we tested with FlipAEO-style tactics. The data that moved citation share, the 5-page and entity moves that earned quotes in Perplexity, ChatGPT Search, Google AI Overviews, Claude research answers, and Gemini summaries, and how to measure whether answer engines can name you without guessing. First, why Perplexity citations are the new shortlist. SaaS buyers no longer start every purchase with 10 Google tabs. They ask Perplexity which tools handle SOC2 reporting, which CRMs replace Salesforce for mid-market teams, which analytics stacks cut dashboard sprawl. Perplexity answers with sources. Those sources become the consideration set. If you're not cited, you are invisible in the moment of intent, even if you rank page 2 organically. ChatGPT Search, Google AI Overviews, Claude and Gemini run the same pattern. Extract facts, name vendors, attach links. FlipAEO and similar answer engine optimization tools exist because traditional keyword pages rarely survive that extraction layer. Thin feature lists get skipped. Dense, citable proof gets reused. For SaaS, a single Perplexity citation on a high-intent comparison query can outperform weeks of blog traffic that never converts. Buyers who arrive from an AI answer already trust the shortlist. Your job is to become extractable evidence, not another SEO essay. Second, what we actually tested. We ran a 30-day FlipAEO-style protocol on one B2B SaaS product in a crowded category. Baseline, 0 Perplexity citations across 5 branded and 5 unbranded prompts, weak entity consistency across G2, Capterra, LinkedIn, and the homepage, and blog posts optimized for volume keywords instead of answer-ready claims. Treatment, rebuild the public proof layer the way FlipAEO-style AEO playbooks prescribe. That meant citation-ready comparison pages, machine-readable claims, third-party corroboration, FAQ blocks with exact numbers, and entity hygiene so models could map the product name to one company. We measured weekly. Prompts stayed fixed. We logged whether Perplexity named the product, which URL it cited, whether ChatGPT Search and Google AI Overviews mentioned the same claims, and whether Claude or Gemini repeated the core differentiators. This was not vanity traffic. This was shortlist presence. Third, the data that mattered. Finding number 1, citation wins, clustered on pages with one clear claim per section, a number, a definition, and a sourceable proof block. Long narrative blogs barely moved Perplexity. Finding number 2, when G2 category language, homepage H1 and LinkedIn, company description disagreed, models hesitated and preferred cleaner competitors. Entity mismatch cost citations even when content quality was decent. Finding number 3, comparison pages that answered who is this for, what breaks without it, and how it differs from 2 named alternatives earned more Perplexity sourced links than generic feature dumps. Finding number 4, FAQ schema and plain language queue and A-blocks increased extractability for ChatGPT Search and Google AI Overviews in parallel, not only Perplexity. Finding number 5, after the sprint, the product appeared in 3 of 5 unbranded Perplexity prompts and 2 of 5 branded clarification prompts, with supporting mentions starting to show in ChatGPT and AI Overviews on overlapping questions. That is not magic. That is answer-shaped proof density. Important caveat. FlipAEO-style tooling can accelerate audits and page prioritization, but no tool invents trust. If your product pages still hide pricing logic, security posture, integrations, and customer proof behind demos-only gates, answer engines have nothing durable to cite. The data rewarded transparency more than tool brand. Fourth, the 5 moves that earned citations. Move number 1, write answer first pages. Open every money page with the direct answer a buyer would ask Perplexity. Then support it. Models quote openings and definition blocks before your brand story. Move number 2, publish citable numbers. Time to value, supported integrations, uptime targets, seat ranges, and implementation windows beat adjectives. Perplexity and Claude prefer facts they can restate without inventing. Move number 3, fix entity consistency. One product name, one company name, one category label across the site, app stores if relevant. G2, Capterra, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Press. Google AI Overviews and Gemini punish messy identity. Move number 4, build comparison and alternative pages that name real competitors fairly. Answer engines constantly answer X versus Y and best tools for Z. If you refuse to compete in public text, models cite someone who will. Move number 5. Add multi-source corroboration. Case study snippets, third-party reviews, documentation URLs and changelog facts give ChatGPT Search and Perplexity multiple angles to trust the same claim. Single-page marketing fluff loses to multi-surface proof. Run those 5 moves for 30 days and you recreate the FlipAEO-style lift we measured without waiting for another algorithm rumor. Track the same 5 prompts weekly in Perplexity, ChatGPT Search, Google AI Overviews, Claude and Gemini. Screenshot citations. Note which URL won. Double down on pages that get quoted. Kill pages that never appear as sources. Recap the hard truth. Perplexity citations are SaaS shortlist real estate. FlipAEO-style answer engine optimization works when you rebuild pages for extraction, not when you bolt a tool onto thin content. Our test moved a product from 0 to multi-prompt citation presence by tightening claims, entities, comparisons, numbers, and corroboration. The same stack feeds ChatGPT, Google AI Overviews, Claude, and Gemini. Tools help prioritize. Proof wins the quote. If you want Ninja to scan how visible your business looks across Google AI Overviews, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, and Gemini, including citation gaps, weak entity signals, and competitor shortlist risks, go to tryninja.ai. Setup takes 2 minutes. The first scan is free. You will see whether answer engines can confidently name you or whether cleaner competitors are collecting the citations your buyers already trust. Stop optimizing only for blue links. Bill Pages machines can quote. Earn the Perplexity source slot. Own the AI shortlist before the next buyer asks who to use.